Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amarilys, and in today's video I am going to share my Amazon favorites. I know that I am not the only person who has been buying a lot on Amazon. They just, they get you with that Prime. So I'm going to show you some of my favorites that I just recently purchased. They're all pretty recent, so I'm sure that you'll be able to find them. But before we get into that, I just wanted to say I'm almost at 500 subscribers. That is so exciting for little old me on YouTube. And yeah, so just please make sure that you are subscribed. If you checked on my other video, you might have heard that I might have a giveaway. So yes, once I hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So stay tuned and subscribe. So let's get on with my favorites. The first item, I can't physically hold it, but I am going to take you into my kitchen and show you, because it is this new drying rack that I bought, and it is hanging on the wall. I know this is like kind of new to me, so I think it's really awesome, and it has helped to maximize my counter space. You might have seen in my previous video from my pantry video, I have a tiny kitchen. And so as much as I can maximize my space, I will need to do that. And this drying rack helps me do that. And I think it's cute. The black and the white really goes with the aesthetic of my apartment. And to bring a little bit more of that black into the kitchen, I purchased these soap dispensers here. It's clear glass, and it has the matte black pump on the top, and this sticker here, I put that sticker on there. I'll talk about that in a minute, but I really love the aesthetic of how this looks. It just goes and brings everything all together. And then I placed it on this marble tray. It was really affordable. It is, I believe, like acrylic, like plastic material. Easy to clean, and it just helps everything kind of stay a little bit more organized and just looks cute. And then I place like my soap dish sponge. There you go. So yeah, these are some new purchases that I think look really cute in the kitchen. And let's get on to the labels. So I ordered a bunch of labels from Amazon, and it's Chalkboard Labels, and it comes with really large labels as well as smaller labels, and it comes with 2 pens where you can write, and it looks like it's chalk writing. I have the white one, and it comes with the yellow one, but I like the white. And yeah, I use the larger labels for bigger jars. You can see that in my pantry video for like rice and pasta, and then the smaller labels I'm using on the glass soap dispensers, and you can use it on smaller jars and things like that. I just have been on a organization kick, and so a lot of the items that I'm showing you have to do with that, but I do have like a few like beauty products as well, so we'll get into all of that. The last kitchen item that I purchased is this tea organizer, and it comes with a bunch of different like compartments to put the different tea bags, and I just think it looks really nice and organized. It looks really nice and displayed in your pantry, but also it allows you to see all of the tea that you do have, and if you're running low on one of your favorite teas, you see it and you don't feel like upset that you don't have that tea anymore. So I really just think that this is so helpful, and it helps to not have just a bunch of random tea boxes all over the place. So this has come in handy, and I really think it looks cute. I have 2 more items, and then that is it for my Amazon favorites. And they are beauty related, and they're both related to gel polish or gel nail polish, gel manis. And the first one is this Nail Dehydrate and Nail Primer Kit. And I know, super random, but I think this is really nice, and I really like the dehydrate helps to remove any excess oils that you may have on your nail, and the primer helps to make sure that you have that gel polish stay on as long as possible, or at least that's been my experience. I'm doing my gel manis at home, and I'm not the greatest at it. However, I think I'm doing pretty decent. I've had some gel polish or gel manis that were done at a salon and they were just crap. And then I've had such amazing experiences. So when this is all over and I'm able to get a gel mani, I will go back to my, awesome, amazing gel manicurist. More so probably for like special occasions now that I'm, saving some coins. But yeah, I think this kit is really helpful for gel manis if you're going to do them at home. And then you obviously need a UV light to dry the gel polish, to cure it. And I think this one is really nice and sleek because I'm all about things looking cute. It's sleek, it's really lightweight, and you can put it basically anywhere. It doesn't have that bottom, so you can place it anywhere where there's a counter. And yeah, I thought it was affordable and it dries your nails. I don't have any issues. It doesn't I don't feel like that burning or anything like that. So I really think that this is helpful. Those are all of my favorites. I do have a request. I don't have a gel polish that I really like, so please leave me down in the comments a really nice, affordable gel polish that you are like, this is bomb, it works, and have like nice colors, a range of nudes preferably. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!